You hear a strange rattle at stoplights. Your gas mileage is slowly dropping. That smooth, quiet engine you bought feels like a tired old truck. It's not dying of old age, it's dying of 1,000 tiny lies. Manufacturers hide simple fixes because they don't want your car to last forever. Today, I'm exposing the exact 17 hacks that strip away years of wear and bring back that factory-fresh power. The last one on this list costs $12 and saved my own truck at 387,000 miles. Let's begin. Hack number 17, the air filter quality trap. This is the easiest fix on the list and the one where you're most likely being tricked. You change your filter, but you're probably buying the wrong one. A cheap bargain bin air filter is like trying to run a marathon with a plastic bag over your head. Your engine is an air pump. For every single gallon of gas it burns, it needs to suck in over 10,000 gallons of air. Cheap filters use thick, restrictive paper that strangles your engine just to trap a little more dirt. A high-quality OEM or performance filter uses engineered synthetic fibers that let the air flow freely. Lab tests show a clogged or restrictive filter can rob your engine of over 10% of its power. That's a massive penalty for saving $5. Spend the extra $10 on a reputable brand. Hack number 16, the battery terminal corrosion voltage drop. If you see that white, crusty powder on your battery terminals, your engine is already running blindfolded. That powder is crystallized acid, and it acts like a roadblock for electricity. Your modern car is a supercomputer on wheels. It needs perfect, clean voltage to make millions of decisions every second. When corrosion creates resistance, your alternator struggles, your injectors fire weakly, and your spark grows faint. This dirty power causes rough idles, ghost misfires, and murders alternators. Industry data shows dirty connections are the #1 cause of charging system failures and can kill an alternator 30% faster. The fix? A paste of baking soda and water, a wire brush, and 3 minutes of your time. Scrub until the metal shines. Hack number 15, the engine mount collapse. Here's a secret. That horrible shaking and drive that disappears in neutral isn't your engine failing, it's your car's foundation crumbling. Your engine and transmission are held in place by rubber and hydraulic mounts. Their only job is to absorb vibration. After a decade, the rubber rots or the fluid leaks out. Now, every single shake and shudder from your engine gets dumped straight into the frame. It makes a perfectly healthy engine feel like it's about to explode. I've seen people replace transmissions for $3,000 when all they needed was a $100 mount. On most cars, changing the worst one is a straightforward job. The transformation is instant. Hack number 14, the belt tensioner fatigue. That annoying squeal on a cold morning isn't just a noise, it's a death rattle for your most expensive accessories. Your serpentine belt is driven by a spring-loaded pulley called the tensioner. When that spring gets weak, the belt slips. That slippage doesn't just wear the belt, it creates destructive shock waves that hammer the bearings in your alternator, your water pump, your power steering pump. Major parts suppliers report that a weak tensioner can cut belt life in half and destroy an alternator bearing in under 10,000 miles. When you change your belt, you must change the tensioner. It's usually one bolt. This single hack protects hundreds of dollars worth of components from a violent, early death. Hack number 13, the power steering sludge. Got hydraulic power steering? Turn the wheel all the way to the lock. Hear a groan? That's the sound of a pump drinking mud. Power steering fluid operates under insane pressure and heat. Over years, it oxidizes into a thick metallic sludge. This sludge clogs the pump's tiny screens, starves it for fluid, and turns the delicate seals in your steering rack into brittle, leaky ruins. The aftermarket has seen power steering pump sales double because people never change the fluid. Don't replace the pump, rehabilitate it. Get a turkey baster. Suck the old black fluid out of the reservoir. Fill it with fresh, correct fluid. Do this 3 times over a week of driving. For $20, you've just silenced the groan and added years to your entire steering system. Hack number 12, the brake fluid moisture sponge. A mushy brake pedal isn't just annoying, it's a physics problem waiting to fail you. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It greedily absorbs water from the air through the rubber hoses. Here's the crisis. Water boils at 212 degrees. Your brakes can hit 400 degrees in normal driving. Under hard braking, that water flashes into steam, and steam compresses, while fluid does not. That compression is the mushy feeling under your foot. Studies show over half the cars on the road have brake fluid contaminated beyond the safe limit. Flushing out the wet fluid for dry, fresh fluid every 2 years isn't maintenance, it's restoring the fundamental physics of stopping. The pedal becomes rock solid and immediate. Hack number 11. The lifetime transmission fluid lie. This is the single biggest deception in the auto industry. If your manual says lifetime fluid, they're lying to you. Lifetime means the lifetime of the transmission warranty, about 100,000 miles. After that, they'll sell you a new one. I've seen transmissions on the verge of the $5,000 replacement come back to life with a simple drain and fill. The old fluid comes out looking like burnt coffee and smelling like a tire fire. The new fluid restores hydraulic pressure, cleans the valves, and brings back crisp, smooth shifts. Transmission rebuilders themselves state that 90% of failures are due to fluid breakdown and overheating. A drain and fill every 50,000 miles is the cheapest insurance you will ever buy. Hack number 10. The differential and transfer case neglect. If you drive a truck, SUV, or any AWD vehicle, there's a gearbox at each axle that's probably never been touched. It has thick gear oil and no filter. Every speck of metal worn off the gears stays in there, suspended. It becomes liquid sandpaper, creating drag, creating heat, and creating a whining noise on the highway. Used gear oil analysis shows metal concentrations 10 times higher than engine oil. Changing this to fresh synthetic fluid every 40,000 miles reduces rolling resistance, quiets the drivetrain, and can even give you back a mile or two per gallon. Your engine won't have to fight to turn the wheels anymore. Hack number 9. The coolant electrolysis trap. Coolant doesn't just prevent freezing and overheating, it's a corrosion barrier for the dozen different metals inside your engine. When the inhibitors wear out, the coolant turns acidic. It becomes a weak battery, creating a current between the aluminum heads and the iron block. This electrolysis literally eats your engine from the inside out, rotting heater cores and destroying water pump seals. Testing with a simple multimeter can reveal this silent killer. The fix is non-negotiable. Flush and replace the coolant with the correct type every 4 years. You're not just preventing overheating, you're stopping your engine from dissolving itself. Hack number 8. The PCV valve pressure cooker. This is the cheapest, most forgotten part on your engine, the positive crankcase ventilation valve. It's a simple one-way check valve. When it clogs, and it always clogs, it turns your engine block into a pressure cooker. Combustion gases and acid moisture get trapped inside the crankcase. Pressure builds. That pressure seeks the weakest point, your valve cover gaskets, your rear main seal, your oil pan. You fix the leak, but the pressure remains, and it blows out the next seal. Gasket manufacturers report over half of recurring oil leaks are due to a failed PCV valve. Find it, pull it out, shake it. If it doesn't rattle, it's a $20 heart attack for your engine. Replace it. Hack number 7. The external fuel filter neglect. If your older car or truck has a second fuel filter tucked along the frame rail, if this clogs, your electric fuel pump in the tank is fighting a wall of resistance. It strains, overheats, and dies a $500 death. The symptom is subtle. The car runs fine at idle, but stumbles and hesitates under hard acceleration when it needs fuel volume. If your vehicle has one, changing this $15 filter every 30,000 miles is a direct lifeline to your very expensive in-tank pump. It's a simple sacrifice to keep the heart of your fuel system strong. Hack number 6. The math sensor blindness. Is your car feeling gutless? Is your MPG slowly sinking without a check engine light? Your engine's nose is clogged. The mass airflow sensor has a tiny heated wire that measures incoming air. A thin film of dirt insulates it. The computer thinks less air is coming in, so it injects less fuel. You lose power and efficiency. EPA studies show a dirty MAF sensor can tank your fuel economy by 15% long before it ever turns on a check engine light. If you're past 120,000 miles and watching your MPG drop, replace the upstream sensor. It's a $100 part that can save you hundreds a year at the pump. Hack number 2, the fuel injector spray pattern. Think of a perfect fuel injector as a fine, delicate mist. An old, dirty injector sprays like a garden hose. When you shut off a hot engine, the last bit of gas on the injector tip bakes into a varnish. That varnish clogs the microscopic holes, ruining the pattern. The fuel doesn't burn, it sizzles. This wastes gas, reduces power, and can even damage pistons. You don't need to replace them. Once every oil change, use a high-quality fuel system cleaner with PEA. It's the only chemical strong enough to dissolve that hard